The one-word phrase :explanation is an interesting way of starting a story or beginning a new paragraph. If you want a sentence type that will immediately spark your reader's curiosity and have them wanting to find out more, then look no further than the one-word phrase :explanation super sentence. Quick and easy to write, but incredibly impactful. Let's discover how to use it. Gain explains. Begin with a single word or a short phrase followed by a colon. Monday. Briefly explain why this was significant. The worst day of Sally's life. Let's try another. Begin with a single word or a short phrase followed by a colon. Thornton House. Briefly explain why this was significant. The mansion on the hill that we always avoided. Until today. Let's explore some super examples. Whispering Pines. The cabin in the woods where strange lights appeared, drawing us closer, against our better judgment. This follows the super sentence structure well, although I have extended the explanation part a little. Be careful if you do this though. Sometimes a shorter, more mysterious sentence can be more impactful. Perhaps I should have stopped at the word appeared and written the rest in a follow-up sentence. What do you think? Brian Grubb, the school bully, and he was heading in Stanley's direction, a mischievous grin on his face. I might have stopped this one on Brian Grubb, the school bully, but including the detail that he was heading in Stanley's direction and in a mischievous mood helps to stir the reader's curiosity. We all want to find out what's going to happen. I couldn't find it. The cherished necklace Grandma gave me on my 10th birthday. What's great about using this sentence structure as a story opening is that not only does it get your reader to start asking questions in their head, but it also helps you to get straight to the heart of your story. This is great if you're writing a story and need to finish within a strict time period. So you have seen how impactful the one-word phrase :explanation super sentence can be. It really is a great way of beginning your stories. The secret is to reveal just enough. Imagine you are opening a door for your reader. Open it just a crack so that they can catch a glimpse of what's inside but cannot see everything right away. Why don't you start crafting your own one-word phrase :explanation super sentences today? Pause the video and use the pictures I have provided. Happy writing!